The perfect centerpiece to your holiday feast, let's make a stuffed pork roast with roasted winter vegetables. Heat a Le Creuset cast iron skillet with oil and saute diced bacon and onions until golden, then add apples, apple juice, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, thyme, and sage. Season and cook until tender, then into a bowl to cool. Trim excess fat from your pork roast and season it generously. Stir the breadcrumbs into the bacon and apples, then this gets spread all over the butterflied pork. Roll it up tightly, cover it with bacon strips, then tie it up with butcher twine to hold everything together. The pork gets seared all around in a Le Creuset shallow Dutch oven for maximum flavor, then onions, thyme, chicken stock, and apple juice is added to keep it moist. This gets roasted in the oven for 30 minutes, then basted and back in the oven to finish cooking, basting a couple more times. Meanwhile, in a Le Creuset rectangular roaster, toss carrots, squash, and onions with oil, thyme, sage, salt, and pepper, then roast at the same time as the pork. After 30 minutes, stir in cranberries and baste the veg with the pork juices, then back in the oven to finish. Relax and enjoy this joyful moment as you serve your roast in style and elegance. This classic dish is one they'll cherish along with the chef. Happy holidays and bon appetit!